Hello all. So before showing you to the implementation part, this is again the very few steps of golden rule, which I would like to convince you that if you are going to understand and remember this golden rule, and if you just completely wired in your head, then there is a maximum chances, or rather I should say a guarantee that you could able to solve more than 95% of any generative AI problems. So let me just retrace it, okay, and then let you know about the golden rule, that what is this philosophy and then how you should follow. Okay, so this is kind of a very real recipe, and I want you to be little patient till I show you the implementation part, and let's start. Okay, so these are the few steps I would like that you follow these steps throughout our generative AI lecture, and you would able to get it what I'm trying to say. In the previous lecture, we have understood about the LangChain theory. After that, we have also gone through the Hugging Face, that how to see all this model, the free model, and other things, right? Now let's understand about this golden rule. So in the golden rule, the for number one step is that you should define the problem type. That what is your problem type? Whether you want to make a question answering system or a chatbot system, or you want to attach any tool, agent, multi-agent, whatever it is, but first define your problem statement. We have very clear about the problem statement that Rohan wants to build an AI assistant. So for that, he wants to use the framework like LangChain in order to use all these things, right? The second step is that choose framework. After defining the problem statement, the second step is framework. That which framework you should use. So I am delivering you LangChain for now. So this is how the LangChain framework looks like. So LangChain helps us to organize everything, connecting tool, connecting LLMs, coordinating everything, so that all these things can work in a sequential manner. Then the number third step is pick your model. So in order to pick your model, you have the API key, you have the access of Hugging Face, OpenAI, or some local model, which I will tell you step by step in the upcoming videos. So with the help of this API key, you could able to access any LLM model, whether it is a free model or a paid model. Then step number four is load and configure. So I will tell you about what is temperature. So temperature helps us to tweak your the large language model, the generative AI model, any generative AI model, large language model, vision language model, small language model, any model. It is kind of a parameter where it is depending upon the user that how they will going to tweak it in order to get the response. So I will going to show you about these things as well. So after that, you need to write the prompt so that you can give a suggestion to your large language model that how it should behave. So this is the prompt template that you should write to instruct your LLM, so that your LLM first read your prompt template, your instruction, and based on that, it is supposed to give you the output. The other step is choose pattern, and this is the most important point. After understanding everything, now this is like which pattern is suitable for your problem statement, whether it is related to chaining or attaching tool or attaching any reasoning and action agent, or you can attach so many multi agent to your LLM system. So you need to first know at the very beginning, according to a problem statement, that what you should use. So let's say that if you want to use this chaining operation, then you can use this uh, the chaining operator. Okay, then if you want to attach any tool with your LLM, so that your LLM is much more functionally superior compared to other tool, you can just attach your tool, different tool, into your large language model, so that they can take the user query in a very with a great maturity. After that, building the pipeline. So this helps us by using the LangChain expression language. So this is like LangChain expression language, which helps you to attach the prompt to your LLM system. It can also help us to attach the tool with your LLM system, and after that, it can able to parse it. Parsing means what? Beautify the output, and everything will done by this pipe operator. And this pipe operator has been provided by the LangChain expression language. Now the next step is building a pipeline. So we know about how to build a pipeline. If you want to attach a memory, you can also attach it. I will tell you, I will go each step one by one. Don't worry about it if you're not getting it till now. But I'm expecting that you should remember all these things, okay? And after that, if you want to deploy it and build your real chatbot, you can able to build it and test it and build your first AI agent. So this is like the entire golden rule. What I will do is that I will going to take the snapshot of this golden rule, and I am going to use it throughout my lecture, so that uh, there will be a little less effort from your side, and I could able to deliver it more perfectly. Okay, so this is like the entire golden rule. Again, I will retrace it. First, define your problem statement, then choose the framework, then pick your generative AI model. So in our case, we are going to pick the large language model, the LLM model. Then we are going to configure some parameter in the LLM model. Then we are going to write the prompt template, so that we can instruct the LLM model to behave in a such a way. Then we can choose the pattern, that which pattern is suitable. Either the pattern could be chaining operation, or by attaching tool, or by using the reasoning and action tool to your LLM system, so that by attaching this pattern, your LLM will become much more superior. After that, you want to attach everything via LangChain expressionable language with this pipe operator, so that your LLM has the functionality of everything: your prompt, your tool, your output parser, everything. Then if you want to attach a memory, you can also attach the memory, you can attach the tool to improve your LLM accuracy, and then finally you can able to deploy it and serve it as a API. So in this way, you should know about this golden rule, and we are going to follow this golden rule throughout our lecture. Thank you.